Assalamu alaikum friends. So this video is to help you in installing Anaconda. Basically, I have received some messages and I have seen some comments mentioning that they are not able to download the Anaconda software. So let me show you what mistake these guys are making. First of all, you need to type anaconda.com. It's a free of cost software. It is available online, but the main mistake which they are doing is that they are clicking on this option. If you click on this option, it will ask you to subscribe to Anaconda. Now this means that you have to pay for this software, but you don't need to pay for it. Instead, come back and here you can see three types of icons. One is for Windows operating system, the other is for Macs, and the other is for the Linux. So if you have Windows operating system, then click on Windows operating systems icon. It will take you to a window something like this. Here you can see again some options available for Windows operating system, Mac OS and Linux. Depending on your OS, choose one of the options available. As I am using Windows operating system, so I'll click on this option, 64-bit graphical installer 621 MBs. So you can see my exe file is downloading. Okay, so now you can see that my exe file is downloaded. Now just open it. It will take a bit of time and then you can see a window like this will pop up. Now you can follow the previous video of mine to install the Anaconda software. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care.